ask this one simple question. Because everybody says, I'm not enough. And I say, well, what's your definition of enough? And nobody knows. Is enough people loving who I am? Is enough the followers? Is enough the bank account? What is it? And a lot of us, what we're doing is we're comparing our life to something that doesn't even exist. And you wonder why you don't feel good about yourself. And what happens is you start to change the internal dialogue of who you are. And I know that's true for so many of you. You lose something and then you lose yourself. And you have those conversations. Man, is my life over? Do I even matter? Do I belong? Is there room for me? And you speak death into your life, into your soul, into your dreams, and you operate like that. So I want to challenge everybody here just to do this. And whatever it looks like for you, every single morning, start speaking life into your life. You've got to know your worth. Find a permanent worth that doesn't budge, that doesn't change. So when those things come back into your life, try to make you feel worthless, whatever it is, statistics, people, things, your past. How do you remind yourself? And this is a you thing. How do you remind yourself that you're worth it? What's the life that you're speaking into your life? What are the things that you're telling yourself? What's the internal validation that's seeming in your soul that you know that I'm worth it? I'm worth everything good coming into my life. You ever been like, you've lived a life where you've been through so much hard times that when good times happen, you use this phrase, this saying, this is too good to be true. And you're waiting for the bad to happen. You're waiting for the thing to mess up, whether it be relationships. You're waiting for the little thing, whether it be business. You're waiting. But what if it is true? Because you deserve it. You deserve your breakthrough. You deserve your next level. You deserve your healing. Stop discrediting yourself and give yourself some damn credit. You want to please everybody. You want everybody to like you. You want everybody to love you. And a lot of our self-worth, our self-esteem is based upon if people like us, if people celebrate us, if people champion us, if people support us. And you're living your whole entire life trying to control something you can't control or change. That is a perfect recipe for depression. It's a perfect recipe for anxiety. It's a perfect recipe for you not loving your life. Don't allow people to place their impossibilities on your life. Perception is somebody's experience of life that we're putting out into the world. That's how they see the world. So if you see yourself as less, you're going to operate as less. You're going to do less. You're going to accept less. You're going to settle for less. But when you change your perception in seeing the world as abundance, in seeing the world as opportunity, seeing the world as progression instead of perfection, you will start to see everything working for you. You will start to see everything is working out for your good. You will start to see even the failure is taking your life to success. You will start to see that all the things happening are happening for you.